Mrasha bedwafo mo kotenase. Na mo yan hye ni nyina ewie. Na ekọ referendum. Na se referendum no Ghana fo nyina ye referendum ni wie. Ye hia sen percentage sen na wo se Ghana fo nya ye digitum. Eye 66%, 70% and as a day. Na ye gitumu a omanpani Prz Mahama. Ebetima qualify no. So obedi mfie num nana.
So your call referendum na. Was a Ghana for beto aba no. Ghana for mudin wo abato nkrata mu so moto aba no. Was say a move 40% eba beto aba no.
We should have a voter turnout of 40%.
Yes. Voter turnout of 40%.
That is enough.
That is voter turnout of 40%.
Okay.
No say nipa say about 75%
yeah.
or so.
Yeah.
A vote to
say yes.
Yes. And sana amendment no ayede abaso. So
let's say all things being equal, sana aba. Omanpani Prz Mahama ye to aba Ghana mbra edi to aba yi no article 66(1) emfie 9. Edi yes sambra ni mu wi a ono ebe ka no.
Mate semprofo bi ka se entumi nka no. Enye no kreda.
Enye no kre
ejina sene parliament besi ahyehyɛ mmara no. Se parliament ka se enye effect na ebenya effect ne.
There is a parliament ka se this law shall take effect upon promulgation. Eba mu a. Mama pay.
Mami ka se mi nkyira.
Ka kire me.
The entire Prz Gina so kase entumi nya effect wo man panyi Prz Mahama amemu no article 107 of the constitution or reading na watiefo ntie.
I will try and get it. What dey kasa?
Article 107 can retroactive laws. Just say parliament need to mean say or pass it retroactive laws. Now crofo fa no ma kan tra na e obo say a general just say a faubia ho. And this you can say parliament need to mean so pass retroactive laws are individuals say obe pass law no assistant benefit be an right be a abedi omunsem. Article
107 of Ghana's constitution provision na mu na mankayo no sen kaminya provision na prevent it from okay. It prevents laws that alter existing court judgment between parties or the 1071.
1071 and 2 reading.
Oh. Ebasia, Dominic, Nama Boame. Article 107. Parliament cannot make any law that changes a court decision. A
107A.
Bebacho, Monsa Fats.
Intino Bakuni 107 yo A and B.
Okay.
The parliament into me pass mbra. And sesa atemwo be a court e dia ma onipa bia.
Okay.
Enti Bakuni. Tienko B no so ne enko.
Can we have the B? Article 107B no. Nanka yenti no. Article 107B. Article 107B. Okay. What does it say? Retroactive legislation. That is the headline. Okay. It says Parliament shall have no power to pass any law. A. To alter the decision or judgment of any court as between the parties subject to that decision or judgment. B. Which operates retrospectively to impose any limitation on or to adversely affect the personal rights and liberties of any person or to impose a burden, obligation or liability on any person except in the case of a law enacted under Article 178 to 182 of the Constitution.
178 to 182 no efa taxes no eto.
That's right.
So efa to say parliament between the two at all so I'm going to retroactively.
Okay.
Now, into show we are, then a say
it's talking about personalities.
Personalities.
Not an institution.
Not an institution. And no krano is talking about say obi right when ya benefit be a abanin semu. Say obeye mmara, say obeti so. And also obesi sano amanipa no ho akire no. It is enke for presidency no krano. Enka wo fa de say ya to abayi obi say oni president fie nan. Na afi wo sesane say omedi mfie miensa. Ana say mfie miensa ne fa. So what the me say? And yet say o pass law say nipa no say be president yemfa afin kan ho. Oh, enti emfa ho no ko enti say parliament pass mra no ka say president Mahama betumi adi mfie nu mu a obetumi adi ebra wo ho sesi
ebra wo ho sesi say referendum no wie na say emra no gitumu a Prz Mahama betumi atoa ne nso de mfie nu aba
mfie nu yes
enti amra
so yes some kwa obetumi aye.
Okay, 2 terms Prz Mahama edi baako odi mienu enkrofo start ka 10 emre ya mo hihye yi ekwan be na betumi abaso ama God's committee no ama recommendation of a 10 but yet is enkrofo ka to what extent and the betumi possible.
The government be possible. This is Supreme Court be interpret the Constitution. No?
Supreme Court
be interpret the Constitution. I can say, 2 terms, 2 successive terms.
HSA.
You can say be 2 terms, and HSA would be at what so.
It when the at it is deemed as 1 term.
Court ni o magin so be ni sadia. Oh say. Ye Supreme Court no mo ye di tumi aso mo nsa se constitution mo chirechire mu oman to da bia o be chirechire mu kwan bi so a wo mpe but o mo na tumi ni wo mo
okay
entisi anhya ase ani hu nkomo amo mo ahu se oman no enye ho ne ya dwene wa opanyi wa hwe ya na sebe obi akotena wa akogye nchichire mu bi
meba o na yes the Supreme Court ka say sa article 66 Clause 2. The committee recommends amendment to Article 66, Clause 2. Not just say no 2 terms no. Supreme Court to make say and yet 2 successive terms. Name udi ba ko na koba. Ultima be di 2 to aso. Omo kasa omo Prz Mahama be timi akotete. Okay meba. Enti se koba say President Biba, no di bako, near tuno, no sabedi, near tuna, no asaba betuaso, and tia no about betmadi. Let's say 4 times in no.
And no, Emremuno, your friend said, don't interpret the Constitution to create an absurdity.
And your chamber, man, me fakis name,
and fast sabi, me pamucho for and far dambo and
far dambo man.
And untina a bear me 1 say Supreme Court be masa interpretation no
say udi 1 term na antwaso a na say 1 na hyegu ana
oh eduntina oman
me bazo na say 1 no ahyegu
ano bi say sana nipa bi person mo kire na me kire say edun dem ma me nya gidie say Supreme Court omo nye saa
because ke be hu
because oya
but safa to subi the other by and safa to subi ne
oya e di adambo be dey ebeba.
They said the president serves a 4-year term starting from their swearing-in date. Clause 2 limits the president to a maximum of 2 terms. And how long they are 7?
See, Clause 2, no, it is about a person.
Okay.
And not even a party. And the Charles wouldn't panel who to me did 2 terms back.
Or say the president, yes. Not the presidency.
There be the president.
Which means wouldn't panel. A maximum of 2 terms.
That's right.
So it is not about Saudi Bako.
Baby.
Ana Udi Mienu to aso. Unya Chabakwa a 2 terms.
2 terms.
Udi Baku can 1. A 1 term. Udi Baku can 2 terms.
Yes.
It is the Supreme Court to ban over Kase. The 2 term maximum of 2 terms, should be a consecutive 2 terms. Ana Hey, any who
just say a bad thing, bay one. Sort I say a bad thing, bay one, say Supreme Court Becassa.
So, Udi Bakua, and no just say, and yet 2 terms. Just a Udi me new to us. That's a Bakuna Shegu.
No, make us say a bear me, Dame Bear, one say Supreme Court Becassa.
If you know Masadiabano, 30 years. Oma recommend say Emrano Usha 62 beer. The minimum age of a person attained to qualify for presidency here 40 years. Almost here from 30.
And no crowd here, and can you me problem?
If you have the answer,
Mammy told the me problem. Said the Panoba be Jinami out to the Swaba.
Okay.
It will ban us all here on us within 30 years, no more, baby, and I won't to my Manoa.
Oh, to me,
To me. To be winning.
But in this year, you're limited.
And who hear me, sir?
Okay.
Because Ghana for an echo to Aba. Now she'll be on wedding fear, dear son. Nasabi, Utienua, na or more baby, a Jumakra will be. Ghana for no, bet me a decide, say, we ain't Tonya Day, Emma.
On the issue of Article 68.5, I buy you say, yeah, almost say president in their tax. Do you think it? So your man penny also, but so me also.
So your man penny na. Before see you krum ha braso. Says will be a man penny. Ni die be a safatayan fama ne die. Nemum niema temamufo famu no. On famu kakra. Hwe okwa South Africa. Ye ma president but na parliament. Na omu debate no mu bisane questions.
Just so like the prime minister system in the UK.
In the UK. But yeah, President Bemani State of the Nations address.
No, kona mona mo opposition ni mo kohontoka.
Ni kohontoka. Na president no, president a odi no odi ne saying. Feedback be na onya. So te me chwana say, ye treaty president say sabi ya hinye. But president no was so unsay what ade no
you fold up your sleeves.
Now see from na ye de uye adwuma. Na wa hwe eno na ma de bia o man hwe o man mu ha. Wo hu se aban bia okọ second term bia no.
Obre.
E card de no lusu. She president Kufuor. She Prz Mills uye Prz Mahama.
E Supreme Court.
E Supreme Court cry. Nanado Danko Kufuor 2020 a card there. Because you were the difference between the virtual perception of the government and the realities of the people.
Okay.
Virtual perception of the government here optics, no.
It looks good.
It looks good.
But maybe I was detached from the
people. Because the channel who is here, no.
Cancer man.
Because we are president with the air now person would tear. The air now person would tear. The air, you know, nipa the first will catch a while. And Chobacasa or mine in the Ebano. Only there be a bad news no adenam. It was my Massa Munyana and Peshmi head him cry. Not at the side who are not buying or lose election.
Okay, a quick one. Article 71. Almost say Yema it could be a independent public emolument commission. And determine the privileges available to persons holding public office generally. Ghana for be cancer same we say. The way a manner as gracia no near the triano too much. The privileges and facilities here probably has been extended to cover many other people. And you know, people are not happy. Say, I said it did not touch much on it.
Before see here permanent committee, but the almost suggested there, me no more nyajin. Fair wages commission crab to me, I say, Jumano. A more cronas here institutions be brave, but as almost say proposal be brave, so yeah, they so what I say, ye near many be your wa the existing institutions can handle them.
Okay.
Oh. Inti me feel say ɛhɔ no ɛfa bi me no mo yɛ adwen ɛfa bi so me no mo nya adwen.
Okay. Lawyer, menim sɛ wɔ adwuma dɔso. Na we ya sha ase yebedom sukɔ. Na menim sɛ wɔ adwuma so foforɔ so a wo.
Ɛno attorney general ba abɔnten. Wa ba abɔnten sɛ government be issue position paper on the report.
Yeah.
Which is good because emire bi no na nipa bi pese mu pia ban ne sɛ mo issue position paper.
Na ye hunu ne baabi a wo gyina.
Nemum on forward proposal no fan kɔma the implementation
review committee
no mo nya ho adwuma. Me hu sɛ ebi nkɔmɔ a yɛdie no afi aban na ni aba no ho sɛ ade no a ɔmo de aba no sɛ bi ɛyɛ hyɛnhyɛm enye ade a sɛ bi
ni nyina no betumi
agye atom enti progress ayeba.
Okay.
Ɛno kyerɛ sɛ minority no nyame ayɛ adom yɛ kasa aban no yɛ den otie ɛma nipa hu sɛ deɛ yɛ ka no aba yɛ den ɛwom enti ne yɛmmɔ minority no aba so sɛ yɛn nkɔmɔ a yɛdie kyerɛ aban ne sɛ say na ɔmfa no ɛne attorney general no wayɛ den ohun saa.
Okay.
Ebio attorney general ne sɛ ɔne law reform commission for no ebehwehwɛ mu ɛkyerɛ sɛ attorney general no so ahu sɛ dwumadi a ɔmo de aba no ohia ani foforɔ sɛ ɛno nso bɛhwɛ mu.
Okay.
Ɛkyerɛ sɛ nkɔmɔ a yɛdie no ɛso ɛnya nsunsuansoɔ.
All right. Nana Jeba for wa na mote ne nka no manhia South